Love my little fan. Started today. Put it up. Put it up to the wall. We'll purchase again. Thank you, Amazon.
Alright, so I installed this little ceiling on top of the vent for summer, just to kind of help move the air around the room. But mine makes a little humming sound, as you're gonna be able to hear it. And I also have trouble turning it on sometimes. Alright, that's on speed number 4, as you can see with this little remote. So we're gonna go to speed 3. Okay, the sound is not bad. And then we go to speed 2. I don't know if you can hear that little humming noise. I can. And if you go to speed 1, which is the lowest settings, I can hear the noise. Which is, I mean, if the TV's on, I guess, and it's loud, I won't be able to hear it. But right now, when it's quiet, yeah. And let's see, let's go back to speed number 4. It's not, oh, there it goes. The buttons on the remote control, they're tricky. So, yeah.
Super silent, don't hear anything. It's in my bunkhouse from RV for my baby. You can see I hung it up, taped it, and put it plugged in by the USB behind his TV. This bunkhouse gets very hot and it's now cooling down really nicely.